Cracking the code. Solving percentage increase problems. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to explore an exciting topic that is super useful in our daily life: shopping, accounting, statistics, and much more. Yes, we are talking about solving percentage increase problems. It might sound complicated, but trust me, it's not as hard as it seems. Stick with me, and we'll break it down together. Let's first understand what percentage increase means. Imagine you have something, say the price of a product, or your monthly salary, and it's going up. The amount by which it goes up, in relation to the original amount, is called the percentage increase. For instance, if your salary was $2,000 last year and it's $2,200 this year, it has increased. But by how much percent? That's what we're here to find out. Now, let's dive into the calculation part. The formula to calculate percentage increase is quite straightforward. Percentage increase equals increase in value, original value, x 100. Continuing from our salary example, the increase in value is $2,200, new salary, minus $2,000, old salary, which is $200. Then, we divide this increase, $200, by the original value, $2,000, and multiply the result by 100 to get our answer. Let's try it. Percentage increase equals 202 thousandths. X 100 equals 10%. So, your salary increased by 10% from last year. It's that simple. Alright, now let's practice this concept with some more examples. Remember, the key is to identify the original value and the increased value, calculate the difference, and then plug these values into our formula. For example, the population of a town was 5,000 last year and increased to 5,500 this year. What is the percentage increase? Percentage increase equals 5500 5,000, 5,000, x 100 equals 10%. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try more problems on your own to become more comfortable with these calculations. Great job sticking with me through this journey of understanding and calculating percentage increase. I hope you find this useful and apply it in various contexts in your life, whether it's calculating your grade improvements, money savings, or price changes. Keep practicing, and remember, math is not about memorizing formulas, it's about understanding concepts. Happy learning! Stay tuned for our next video, where we will tackle percentage decrease. Until then, keep practicing and keep learning.